This is bone marrow transplant day 8, and Micah is currently getting his transplant. He's had some Benadryl and some other medicines to help him become very sleepy. This is the line his transplant's in, and that is, those are his stem cells.
Is no one out there? No.
Here they look a little pink, but they're really sort of yellowish. He says he feels funny, but mostly I think he's feeling sleepy. But he's had a great day and he feels really good. He's mostly been playing basketball and playing in the playroom. Micah, you want to say anything? No? So far, the transplant's going well, uneventful, which is how we hope it stays.